In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Whoop membership. So if you're anything like me, you probably signed up with a free trial of Whoop. If I go to more inside of the Whoop app and go to my account, then membership and billing, you'll then be able to see what current plan you're on and when it will renew. Mine was a free trial, but if I wanted to cancel it, here's how I would do it. So in the app, in the membership and billing section, you can downgrade to a lower version of Whoop, but it doesn't let you cancel it in the app. To cancel it, you need to open a web browser and go to the Whoop app. So go and type in here Whoop, and you want to go to app.whoop.com/membership. You can either go to this exact page via the auto suggest, or if you go to the Whoop website, you can click on the icon on the left and then you can go to membership. Now this is assuming that you are already signed into Whoop. If you aren't already signed in, you are going to need to provide your email and password and sign in on the website. Then go to membership once you are signed in and you're on the website. Once inside of the membership section, you can then scroll down all the way to the bottom, and they've hidden it. Right at the bottom, you can see cancel your membership. So go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to say, are you sure? It's going to try and keep you as a member. Click take survey to cancel. Then no thanks, still cancel. And then it might try and keep you, it might try and give you a better deal. But keep going through this until you get to the final page. Then it will let you cancel and your membership will be done. You will still be able to use your Whoop membership for the remaining of the time, but that's how you do it. I hope that helped.